How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of belly fat in 1 minute, step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So to get rid of belly fat in 1 minute, here is the simplest thing that you can do. Find something first thing in the morning that is cardio related and do it for about 1 minute. Examples of this would be jumping jacks, skipping rope. Even if you don't have a jump rope, just skip in place, just jump in place if you want to. Jumping is very, very an intense movement. So literally first thing when you wake up in the morning, do 1 minute of cardio. And before going to bed, another 1 minute of cardio. You will notice that you will start losing belly fat extremely easy just by doing 1 minute in the morning, 1 minute at night. It works amazing. The reason being is because cardiovascular movements, intense movements, suppresses appetite, which actually causes you to eat less. And when you eat less, you lose weight. So that's what I recommend. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.